Hello everyone, this is Nimish. Welcome back to my channel. It is a bright sunny day and I dimmed the curtains and the blinds to watch this sunny, refreshing, bright movie starring Sunny Wayne and the sunshine of Malayalam cinema, Anna Ben. This is Sarah's, directed by Jude Anthony Joseph, and what a refreshing movie this has been. This is something that, first of all, I want to say is the kind of movie that we all need in today's time. It is a necessity, it is a medicine pill for all of us to watch such movies that are light-hearted, breezy, yet beautifully made, beautifully enacted, beautifully written, creative enough, and just that refreshing element that takes me back to the times when I started watching Malayalam films 5 to 6 years ago, with movies such as Om Shanti Oshana, Charlie, Bangalore Days, these Nivin Pauly Dulkar movies at that time that were so innovative, creative, and a breath of fresh air, mainly because of the fact that they were light-hearted dramas that were very creatively presented and written in a realistic manner. This is one such film, and that itself makes it a must watch. Sarah's is interesting for various reasons to me. The first is the plot point itself, the main subject of the matter, which is the fact that a girl who is not so attracted to kids, babies, having children, and all of that, and how her life journey sort of gets muddled, how the waters get muddied by these subject and topical issues through her natural progression of her life. And the second reason this was interesting is because it shows the sort of process of filmmaking every now and then, which for me is very entertaining and for many people very interesting to watch. So there are few sequences that were extremely entertaining for me. One such sequence was when the actor comes out of the van and sits there and he has to roast peanuts. And this movie has a lot of laugh out loud moments, by the way. It is brilliantly written. One of them was the fact that he had to roast peanuts, and he comes out and he just comes out with his stardom and sits there and he's like, "What is the scene? Tell me the scene." He's this, so it makes you think about how difficult it is to narrate something to an actor that just walks out of nowhere, sits there, and is, told the scene and he has to go enact it, and you have to be okay with it. And if you try to tell them that it's not that okay, they're like, "But it's fine." And this process and many such scenes in the movie make it very, very interesting to watch. The fact that they chose Sarah's profession as filmmaking and to go into those areas makes the film even entertaining to watch. In terms of Sarah's, other the main topic itself, there is one particular scene that was absolutely brilliant, which is the fact where in school a guy comes and sits next to her and they eat an egg puff and the egg falls out of the egg puff, and the scene ends with, the very meta there that's happening in the scene, and the big sort of thematic comment that happens with that egg puff, and how she says the guy doesn't want a puff without the egg. It was just incredible how they thought of it, how they made these scenes, how they wrote this story in such a brilliant way. And I had nothing but good things to say about the movie. That does not mean that the movie could not have been better in certain parts. I do think that the movie is perfect for what it set out to be, enjoyable experience as I've described it. However, I must say that in the second half, all these creative elements, all these sort of out of the box thinking, I felt dipped a little, because the film then fell into the normal template of what happens when, let's say, you don't want children, or you're in a situation where you're not comfortable having children, how there's pressure from various family members, parents, in-laws, even sometimes your spouse and others are not necessarily on the same page as you, and that one woman versus the world on such issues of different thinking, different from everyone else, that fell into a little template-ish sort of storytelling to me, and scenes and screenplay. And therefore for me in the second half it was a little more dipped and a little more of a straightforward experience, I would say, than the creative and refreshing and bright first half. The performance wise, Anna Ben, this is the first time I'm seeing her in a mildly comical role, and she's just so natural at comedy as well. We've seen her in Kumbal Lagi Nice, which was pretty heavy, Helen, which was a thriller, and she's always bright and a very, shining presence on screen. I feel she's one of the actors that the camera loves, and she just her screen presence is next level when it's actually on in the movie, So to watch her do something that I have not seen her do and do something more lighthearted with some amazing comic timing was incredible. It just goes to show what a natural performer and star she is. Because if you can do comedy, especially in the Malayalam film industry, we know what a big star you can become, and she is on track to be that big star for the industry at such a young age. Absolute knockout performance. Sunny Wayne, I have watched him in 3 or 4 other movies, such movies itself, just dramas, romantic comedies, etc. He's always a good presence, never a corrupt presence at all. And I don't know if he's much more into production and other elements as opposed to acting, but he, I think, can carve out a niche for himself in such films, very much like Hugh Grant and all those people that end up being in romantic comedies for pretty much their whole career, with some experiments here and there when the time is right, but they do really well and it suits them and it suits their style of acting, and that's their strengths and playing on their strengths. So I would love to watch more of him in many such movies, because his type of performance actually feels very natural in these movies. So good job by him as well as all the remaining supporting cast. There's Siddiq sir as well in this movie in a very critical role, I would say. But overall, much needed film, much needed breakthrough of a film and a type of entertainment. We have been stuck for the past 5 to 6 years in all kinds of cinema across India and Hollywood in mainly action, fantasy, thriller, dark movies, realistic movies, raw, gritty movies. It's all about heroism. It's all about one guy hitting 20 guys. It's all about the underdog coming and taking over the big power forces. It's all about anger, violence, and we have lost this touch of a basic happy-go-lucky film. Wish many, many more such films continue to be made, especially with Sarah's, I would call, success already. I'm going with 3.5 stars for Sarah's. I would have gone with 4 stars if the second half was a little more creative and maintained that element of hyper entertaining creativity, out of the box thinking. I would have gone with 4, but right now it's a 3.5. But this movie is not about ratings. It's about just feeling that level of entertainment that we haven't felt in a while. I loved it. I hope you guys also liked the movie. Drop your comments below. Do not forget to share this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Take care of yourselves and keep watching for much, much more.